As you can see, we're on location in the shadow of fabulous Mount Hood, my cousin's house in Sandy, Oregon. We were over, first time I've seen her in 6 years, earlier this week. She said, "Hey, come back and do some Smashburgers." I said, "Well, I'm always up for some Smashburgers." Her husband has a fabulous outdoor cooking area. Got a Blackstone built into some cabinets that he's built himself with a grill attached as well. And I thought, well, let's just go do this thing. It turned out great, but we're going to jump right in. So here's the intro. If you're going to eat, it might as well taste good. I was going to toast it for you.
Okay.
And if you'll bring some mayo, I'll use that to toast it.
That became my new favorite thing is grilled cheese with mayo.
Oh, really?
I just found, we were watching some YouTube show about it.
About toasting it with mayo?
Yeah. And
Yeah. That's how we're going to toast the buns tonight.
Yeah.
Is there cheese or anything to slice up, or?
I didn't bring cheese.
Okay,
It just occurred to me that we probably need some cheese.
We have
Yeah, that's fine.
Colby?
we have Colby Jack or Velveeta.
So let's see how these are coming.
Yours are just a hamburger with seasonings in it.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
No, we've never had them just with we've just never had a hamburger smash burger. He watched some YouTube about chicken thighs that he chopped up and then he tacked them together.
Really?
Yeah.
Never seen that.
It was
You
different.
said you tried it though?
Yeah, it was great. It was
Okay,
really
well,
good.
That's all that matters, right?
Yeah, right?
No, I was needing my salt, pepper, garlic.
You get it?
Yes.
What, even blend there?
No, it's 2-2-1. 2 parts pepper.
Okay.
But it's the coarse ground pepper. A lot of people will call it restaurant pepper.
Yeah, yeah.
And 2 parts kosher salt.
Kosher
and then
salt,
1 part garlic, granulated.
Love it. Love it.
So
Garlic
and,
powder or garlic salt?
powder.
Powder. Yeah.
Powder.
That'd be, sounds good.
Yeah. But as good as that is, doing it in the bacon grease is probably more taste. Gets the taste.
And healthier.
Yeah, it's healthy, right?
Southerners and their bacon.
We love bacon. Let's see how we do. There's another trick. You can put mustard on them.
Yeah.
And it'll make a more solid crust. And the taste doesn't come through because she would have yelled at me.
Okay.
She didn't know I did it to her the other day.
You just took it right out of the patty. You just put it right up. You just balled them up.
Now that you told your secret, I'll be
Yeah.
watching you.
She'll be watching me, but
I'll be watching
you didn't taste it. You can't complain.
You don't mix an egg or anything.
No.
Nah. Want to go big and
Patty already. Love it.
no reason to spend any money on nothing. You got everything you need right here.
That's cool.
But it's better, you got to get this a little slick from the grease on the bacon,
Yeah, get that
so it
bun
don't stick.
Really, yeah, it'll
It'll
carry
stick.
with you.
Yeah, but I mean, even then, it ain't that big a deal. They're about ready to turn.
So we just gotta
See how they're starting to sort of
On the edges, kind of curl
You're
around
gonna try
brown.
these tomorrow?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have 11 to 12:30.
Or that little or the blood up on
Oh,
top,
like,
maybe. So that was it. Was there 3 done? You're having one, right? Yeah, yep.
And then my
I'll get one more going.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, nice.
That's a nice.
Thank you.
One more, and then let me get Jackie's going.
Yep. And
So you want this off to the side?
Do them.
You wanna? You gonna take a second one, right? You want me to do another one?
yeah,
Yeah.
we'll do
So
one more.
one more. Cool. So there's hers.
Alrighty.
The nice thing about oiling up those boards, if you want to get as messy as you want, it'll
Yeah.
cleans up really nice.
We're getting ready to plate. Yep.
You toss those two on, and that's your second. Yeah.
He's like on the top of it, isn't he?
I know.
That's the next one. We got 2 for.
Talking to dogs. I was like, oh, somebody here?
That's our like first serve sign usually.
Maggie will talk back. In an angry voice. We'll beat him.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You put onions? Or is that later?
Huh?
The onions go on now?
Oh, do you like
Oh,
onions?
yeah.
You don't?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, perfect. Okay. I was gonna say unless.
But you
Let's go ahead and kick the onions on. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah. No, that's
I
all
got
right.
in a hurry.
Yeah,
And,
kick over.
See, Jack was keeping you straight.
yep.
There we go.
I thought he was just saving them all for him at the end.
No. I get busy and I forget
little-
stuff.
Oh, he does that too.
There we go.
That is a hot spot right
I feel
there,
like the
isn't
thing with
Yeah, right
With
there.
guys,
It's got these long
they can
channels,
cook one thing.
and the heat comes straight out.
it? You can put it on.
I feel like it's gonna be good anyway.
I'm gonna hit it. I think.
I thought you did it.
No, I think.
I thought you,
Great.
yeah.
I didn't know.
I love it.
You don't have to clean it.
Oh, yeah. Now's the time.
Yeah, but do a little bit of water and scoot it off in there. I gotta get one. Just sell those at work. Just get all that back on there. Flexible.
Oh, is that all that is a spackle knife?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's like, why is he money for all these?
It's lasting me years, too.
Interesting.
There's no reason to spend the money on nothing else.
And you still use a Blackstone at all?
No, I hadn't used it much in a year or two.
Okay.
I've
You
got-
have a griddle?
I have 2 griddles at the house, but both of them are connected to charcoal.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
I've got. Shoot. Looking back, I should have just done it all at once. The Blackstone was big enough, but hey, I was in a hurry and I was talking to my cousin more than I was doing any cooking. It was a fun video to shoot and it was a fun video to put together. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more like it, and check out one of these 2 videos while you're here. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day now.